What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a little bit of trout fishing. As you can see right behind me, I got a nice little brook slash river here, and we're actually underneath the bridge as well. But I'm going to be throwing a few lures to start with, and if that doesn't work, then I got some little worms that I'm going to throw on the hook and try that. I haven't fished here in a long time, so I don't know how the fishing's going to be, but we're going to try it out, and we're going to fish this river up and down and everywhere until we can catch a trout. So let's get after it. I forgot to mention the first lure I'm going to be throwing is just a little Panther Martin. There we go, there we go. That's what it was right there. Heck yeah, boys. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's a perfect size medium fish right there. Heck yeah. There we go. Right there, boys and girls. Perfect. Yes. Alright guys, I just had to smash at this thing, so let's see what we can do here. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a nicer one. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna just knock this guy out so I don't lose him. See if we can catch another one before my battery dies. There we go. Another nice one. There we go. I don't know if I'll be able to get this one in. It's a long ways away. Alright guys, I just changed the GoPro battery. Let's try to catch some more. Hopefully we can get another 4 and that'll be our limit. And it'll be a really good meal. Ooh, oh man, that was a decent one right there. I don't know how they keep on popping off. My hooks are all fine. I don't know what the heck's going on. All right, one more cast. Let's go see if we can't catch some more elsewhere. That gold Phoebe though, that thing is working pretty good. Gotten, I think, 3 on that already. Had to find me a stick, but I did catch some trout finally. So with trout, you can just go up straight through, and then there you go. We'll weave all these guys on there. All nice little browns. This one's kind of good chunky one right there. Have some good meat on it. I'm thinking I might cook them over a fire. We'll see. There, got my trout on the stick, and I'm gonna try heading upstream a little bit and see if we can get into any up there. But I don't know. If not, I'm gonna head downstream. But we'll see. Alright guys, here we are, a little bit farther upstream. Take a couple casts, see what happens. This used to be a good spot to fish here. I don't know if it still is or not. Oh, yep, there's trout, there's trout. There we go. Yeah, nice brown. Man, he was, I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the video or not, but that was pretty funny. So the simplest way to knock out a fish is just take its head and just crack it against a rock or something like that. But another nice one. That's number 5 of our 8 fish limit, so try to get another few. Oh, dang guys, I just had a nice one on. Okay, there's quite a few of them in here. Let's see if we can land one of these suckers. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a decent one. I don't want to horse him too much, but heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So that's number 6. So we need 2 more, guys. 2 more. Can we do it? Can we do it? This is such a beautiful spot to fish. I mean, how can you beat this? Every cast so far I've had a fish. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Oh, that's a nice one. Feisty guy. Another nice brown, man. Heck yeah, this is such a great day. He wasn't getting off, that's for sure. Alright, one more and then we're done. One more and then we're done, guys. The old Phoebe is smashing them. Hopefully we get a real big one this time. There's so many trout in here. It's unreal. Doesn't matter which way you cast. Upstream, downstream, they're in here. Oh my god, there's like 20 of them. And there we go. Number 8. That's my limit. Unfortunately, I was having pretty good fun. And there we go. Number 8. This is so freaking awesome. Alright. Pack up. And we'll go home and clean and cook these guys. Alright guys, we're back to the house now. I did get my limit of trout, and I got a good little pile of them, man. Like, this is awesome. What a great day trout fishing. That's about the average size right there. Perfect eating size brown trout. And what I like about trout, guys, is they're literally the most easy things to clean up, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So let me show you how I like to clean my trout. There's a couple different methods, but this is the method I like. So there's a couple different methods to clean the trout. One is to take and just fillet the trout. I don't really like doing that. So what I like to do is I began leaving my heads on my trout for cooking, and for some reason, I don't know, you don't have to. You can cut the head off right here if you wanted to, but I like to leave them on. So what I like to do is you start at the vent down here, stick your knife straight in like that. Now you just go ahead and work your way up right between the fins. Keep on going up until you come all the way to the head. Just like that. So what you have is a nice open cavity. I'm not going to show too much of it because it's a little bloody for YouTube. But then you just reach in, and right where their little throat meets up, you just take and cut that right off, just like. This knife is a little bit dull. Should sharpen it up, but it'll work. And then all your guts just come right out, just like that. Everything is right there. So then what you have in here is just this like little blood vein, that's what I call it, and I just take my thumb and start at the bottom of it, right there. Oh, you can see it. Then you just push down and push forward, and all that excess blood comes right out. You have your clean trout carcass, and that is right there, is ready to cook. It just needs a little bit of a washing, and you're ready to cook just like that, skin on. Alright guys, so it's time to cook the trout. I got them all cleaned up. I'm only going to cook one though, because I'm going to be honest with you, I just barely had a giant turkey leg, and I'm not really honestly that hungry anymore. But as you can see, it's kind of windy out. Maybe you can see, I don't know if you can see the treetops or not, but it's windy out. Too windy to start a fire just on the ground, do like a regular campfire. So what I'm going to do is cook it right here in this charcoal grill. I am going to use real wood though. Got the wood right there. I got to split it up, and I'm going to start a wood fire in there and maybe cook it on this top rack or something. I'm not sure yet. I might cook it on like a stick or something. Who knows? Promised a wood fire, so wood fire is what it's going to be. But yeah, so I just got to split up some kindling wood here. Actually, all the wood is going to be super small. I'm going to cut it off super small.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright guys, so I got the fish on there, just barely put it on. Basically I just got it on a stick, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's going to cook just like that, and when I want to rotate it, just pick up a little bit and flip it over. It'll be good just like that. So I'm gonna let that cook for a while, and I'll get back to you. I've had to change it up a little bit, and I just put the trout directly on the rack because, as you can see, my stick right there caught on fire, and it kind of was just about to break off. So I changed it up before it did, thankfully. All right, guys, let's give this thing a nice smoke flavor. Basically, all we gotta do to do that is just take this lid and close it. Alright, I've been smoking it for probably 2 minutes, and it's pretty heavily smoked, so let's open it up. Yeah, baby, look at that. That was looking good right there. Ooh, got Stick is some hot, let me tell you. I think this thing is pretty much done. Just gotta get my plate. We're going to be doing some fine dining tonight on this piece of birch. There we go. Go ahead and shut my grill off. Oh man, that smells so good. So, you can usually tell when a trout is done when their skin pulls right away, just like this. And you can actually eat the skin as well. Super good. It's one of the best parts of the trout right there is the freaking skin. The meat is cooked perfectly. Comes right off. Look at that little hunk of meat right there, guys. That is going to be good. Alright, let's get it. Oh yeah. Cooked perfectly. I couldn't time that any better. Guys, if you've never tried brown trout, you oughta. Super good meat. And that's one thing I like about trout is like it's... Oh, there goes a robin. That's one thing I like about trout is like it's all meat. Like that right there is all boneless. Let me know down in the comments too what your favorite way to cook trout is. I've cooked them about every way. And honestly, I haven't done it over a fire in a long freaking time. And I think it's now again my new favorite way. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the episode. It was a super fun episode in my opinion because I got to catch a lot of fish. I got to eat fish. It doesn't get much better than that. So if you have another video idea that you want to see on the channel next, make sure to drop it down in the comments. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you're not already so you don't miss any fun stuff just like this video. But for now, that's the end of the video and we'll catch you on the next one.